Hey.
What's up? Hey now.
Hey now.
Look at that.
Yeah, cast iron cooking. Canadian style. Well, it's not Canadian style.
Those are...
But I kind of say Canadian because we got this cute little red barbecue.
Oh, that smells good.
And all I did was I put broccoli and olive oil and some kind of like some seasoning salt, some basil. And so I put that on the griddle on my cast iron pan and put it on the barbecue, and then we put the steaks. So now I've just put it all in one plate. It's kind of like camping.
I better get forks.
Pretty cool.
No forks.
Okay. There goes Joe.
Like
to very Hawaiian shirt.
Made in Hawaii.
He did many times. See by who? Anyway, so good dinner. Yum. Cast iron.